Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Spectrum cable box remote not working or responding, reset box and reprogram remote guide. Fix 1 is check the remote batteries. Remove the old batteries from the remote, then insert 2 new batteries making sure the positive and negative end are correct. Then press the power or menu button to see if the remote responds. Second one is make sure nothing is blocking the signal. Stand within 15 to 20 feet of the cable box, then remove any object blocking the front of the cable box. Point the remote directly at the cable box and press a button. Third one is restart the Spectrum cable box. Unplug the cable box from the power outlet, then wait about 60 seconds. Then plug the cable box back in and wait for it to fully restart. Then test the remote again. Fourth one is reset the remote. Press and hold the TV button, then while holding TV, press and hold OK or cell until the LED flashes twice. Then enter the reset code for your remote model. Then test the remote after the reset is complete. Fifth one is reprogram the remote. Turn on your TV and Spectrum cable box, then press and hold the menu and OK button together until the input buttons blink twice. Then follow the on-screen instructions to pair a program to remote. Then test the power, volume and channel button. Thanks for watching.